How to fix mobile view on Shopify or resize images issue if you're facing any type of technical glitch or the screen glitch on your account, like you cannot do anything or you cannot resize the image. So you will see simply you have to open the Shopify website in front of you and then you have to log into your account. Now, if you have already logged in and you're facing the issue, then how you can solve it? Firstly, delete or close this tab whenever you're opening on your Shopify. If you use the Shopify app, you can also just close the application completely, and then here you can check your network connection, that if you're connected with a better Wi-Fi network connection and if it's in full strength or not. Because these type of error usually occurs due to the network connection. So check your network connection and simply what you have to do is mainly you will restart your PC after clicking on the start button. And now after this, you can see that there is nothing I can do. I will refresh the website also. And if even after your problem is not finishing right now, you can click on the start button to restart it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.